In this video, I will show you how to open a recycle bin in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, you might be wanting to do this if you've accidentally deleted something. It's actually possible to recover that from your recycle bin, or maybe you just want to permanently delete items in your recycle bin. Whatever the reason, you should actually find your recycle bin on your desktop. It's normally in the top left hand corner, but if you don't see it on your desktop, you can use the search box in your taskbar at the bottom, type recycle bin into here, and you should see that come up underneath best match. So give it a click to open up your recycle bin, and as you can see, I've got a ton of things I've deleted. From here, what you can do is come up to the top and click the option to empty recycle bin, which is going to delete all the items in the recycle bin, which can obviously clear some disk space. You can go through and delete these one by one, just by simply right clicking on each item and selecting the option to delete. Or if you do want to recover something, so you've accidentally deleted something, what you can do is click on the item you want to recover, hold down your left mouse button and drag this back onto your desktop, just like so. So that is how to open recycle bin in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.